Okay, this is a quick little video to talk about cleaning the chassis itself. So, as you can see, this is pretty dirty. What I did is, I got some Brasso. And I got a sponge. And then I used a cloth for like eyeglasses and lens cleaning and stuff like that. With a little Brasso, a little sponge, a little elbow grease. That's what it comes out looking like once it's done. Still got a little bit of dirt right here. I'll work on that some more. I'll go through this side really quick just so you can see the process. I'm not going to do the whole chassis on video. The parts up here where the writing are, that's going to be kind of a problem because you have this writing and I don't know if the Brasso will try to take that off or not. So, but basically I use this side of the sponge because it's gritty. Just put a little Brasso on the sponge. Now, if you have never used Brasso before, it is an ammonia-based product. So what does that mean? It smells like urine. As you're going through doing this, you got to kind of be careful, especially on the side I'm doing now, because it's not laying flat on the ground, it's actually up in the air. And as I was starting it, I could feel it kind of flexing. And flexing is a bad thing for these pieces. Because if it flexes, it might not go back to its normal shape. So yeah, it's going to take a little bit of elbow grease to do this. It's probably going to take a couple rounds with the Brasso. Let me grab one of the cloths real quick. You can already see it's a lot shinier than it was. It still has scorch or dirt marks or something right here. It still has little bits here and there, but it is cleaner than it was. So let me try a little Brasso on the top of the chassis here, see what I can do with it real quick. I do have Q-tips that I'll use when I really get going on this. Yeah, so the problem with the Brasso up here is it is taking the lettering off, and that's not something that I want to do. So I'll have to figure something else out. But you can see that it's a lot cleaner. I'm probably going to have to use a Q-tip and maybe go around that part, or just leave that, the rest of that the way it is. So with that, that's going to be how you clean this.